Welcome to a deep exploration of one of the most transformative technologies in propulsion systems, AI-powered predictive maintenance. Across aerospace, marine, automotive, and rail industries, this cutting-edge approach is redefining efficiency, safety, and sustainability. As industries embrace artificial intelligence to predict and prevent equipment failures, the global market for predictive maintenance is skyrocketing, estimated to surpass $45 billion by 2030, growing at an extraordinary compound annual growth rate of over 28%. Today we'll delve into its profound impacts, explore success stories, and discuss opportunities and challenges shaping the future. Let's get started. Predictive maintenance represents a shift from reactive repairs to proactive, data-driven decision-making. By using AI to analyze sensor data and machine learning algorithms to forecast failures, this technology maximizes efficiency while reducing costs. The high costs of downtime. In propulsion systems, downtime can be disastrous. Aerospace. Airlines lose $150 billion annually due to delays and unplanned maintenance. A grounded aircraft for just 1 hour costs between $10,000 and $20,000. Marine cargo ships lose up to $25,000 per hour during downtime, with major tankers facing even steeper losses. Automotive disruptions in EV manufacturing cost automakers $5 million daily, impacting supply chains and market competitiveness. Freight rail operators face fines and penalties, with downtime costing up to $30,000 per hour due to cascading effects on logistics. The predictive maintenance edge. This approach isn't just about preventing failures, it transforms operations. Cost reduction. Maintenance costs drop by 30 to 40%, resulting in billions saved annually. Increased uptime propulsion systems achieve 99% availability, ensuring smoother operations. Extended component lifespan. Key components last 50% longer, deferring replacement costs. Sustainability gains. Fuel consumption decreases by 15 to 20%, significantly reducing carbon emissions. With the global adoption rate surging, let's explore how predictive maintenance is applied in specific industries. The aerospace industry has been a pioneer in adopting predictive maintenance. Aircraft reliability and passenger safety depend on propulsion systems that operate flawlessly, and AI is revolutionizing this domain. Rolls-Royce, a game changer. Rolls-Royce's Engine Health Monitoring (EHM) system has transformed maintenance for over 14,000 jet engines. By analyzing billions of data points, Rolls-Royce achieves a 99.5% reduction in unplanned engine removals, $500,000 savings per engine annually, totaling billions across airline fleets. Maintenance intervals extended by 25%, minimizing operational disruptions. The Trent XWB engine used in the Airbus A350 exemplifies this success. Airlines operating these engines report a 15% improvement in fuel efficiency and annual cost savings exceeding $1.5 million per aircraft. GE Aviation, big data at work. GE Aviation analyzes over 10 terabytes of engine data daily, helping airlines prevent $2 billion in annual losses through timely interventions. Reduce unscheduled maintenance events by 30%, improving fleet reliability. Enable on-time performance for over 5 million passengers annually. Lufthansa Technik. Lufthansa Technik uses AI-powered predictive tools to monitor propulsion systems for its fleet of 700 aircraft. Results include maintenance cost reductions of 20%, saving the company $300 million annually. Enhanced operational readiness, increasing aircraft availability by 15%. Market insights. The aerospace predictive maintenance market is growing at an impressive 30.5% compound annual growth rate, driven by high-margin services like real-time engine analytics and predictive fleet management. This sector represents the largest revenue share, with companies like Safran and Pratt & Whitney also leading advancements. The marine industry faces unique challenges. Ships operate in remote environments with limited access to maintenance resources. Predictive maintenance ensures reliability while addressing efficiency and sustainability concerns. Wärtsilä, efficiency at sea. Wärtsilä has revolutionized marine propulsion systems with its predictive solutions. Fuel consumption reduced by 20%, saving operators up to $1 million annually per vessel. Maintenance costs slashed by 30%, generating multi-million-dollar savings for shipping giants. Engine lifespans extended by 15 to 20%, reducing capital expenditures for fleets. One notable success story involves a global container shipping company managing 150 vessels. By adopting Wärtsilä's system, the company saved over $100 million annually, primarily through optimized engine performance and fuel efficiency. Maersk and Kongsberg Gruppen. Maersk's collaboration with Kongsberg has yielded impressive results. Propulsion-related downtime reduced by 40%, ensuring timely deliveries. Carbon emissions cut by 25%, supporting Maersk's goal of carbon neutrality by 2050. Royal Caribbean Cruises. Royal Caribbean leverages predictive maintenance to enhance passenger experiences. Fuel costs decreased by $2.5 million per ship annually. A 50% reduction in propulsion-related service disruptions, ensuring seamless operations for over 5 million passengers annually. Market insights. The marine predictive maintenance market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 25%, driven by rising fuel costs and environmental regulations. High-margin opportunities include AI-driven hull performance monitoring and emissions optimization tools. The automotive industry, particularly with the rise of electric vehicles and autonomous technologies, relies heavily on predictive maintenance to ensure reliability and optimize performance. Tesla leads the EV sector with its advanced AI monitoring systems. By analyzing propulsion data in real time, Tesla extends battery life by 15 to 20%, saving customers $5,000 to $7,000 in replacement costs over a vehicle's life. Additionally, Tesla reduces warranty claims related to propulsion systems by 25%, saving the company millions annually. This also improves fleet uptime for commercial users by 30%, boosting profitability. General Motors uses AI to monitor propulsion systems in its EVs, achieving a 35% reduction in maintenance costs and enhanced energy efficiency, which increases driving range by 10%. Bosch provides predictive maintenance tools to automakers, cutting repair times by 40% and improving customer satisfaction rates by 25%. Continental's predictive solutions for logistics fleets yield operational savings of 35% per year and reduce downtime by 50%, ensuring timely deliveries. The automotive predictive maintenance market, with a compound annual growth rate of 27.4%, is set to transform the $2 trillion global automotive sector. High-margin areas include EV powertrain monitoring and AI-driven battery diagnostics, which offer profit margins of up to 40%. The rail sector, essential for freight and passenger transport, benefits significantly from predictive maintenance. This technology ensures propulsion systems operate seamlessly, preventing costly delays and failures. Siemens Mobility's RailAgent platform delivers remarkable results for rail operators. Delays caused by propulsion failures reduced by 99%, ensuring near-perfect punctuality. Maintenance costs lowered by 30%, saving operators millions annually. For instance, Deutsche Bahn reported increased fleet availability of 15%, generating over $250 million annually in additional revenue from enhanced service capacity. Alstom uses predictive maintenance to enhance high-speed train performance. Traction motor lifespans extended by 20%, reducing replacement costs. Energy efficiency improved by 10%, saving $100,000 per train annually. Hitachi Rail helps freight operators achieve a 40% reduction in unscheduled downtime, operational savings of over $500,000 per train annually. With a compound annual growth rate of 29%, the rail predictive maintenance market is expanding rapidly. Freight rail systems represent the highest margin segment due to their operational complexity and cost sensitivity. Despite its advantages, AI-powered predictive maintenance faces hurdles that must be addressed for widespread adoption. Over 30% of collected data remains unstructured or incomplete, reducing AI effectiveness. Integrating legacy systems with AI platforms costs operators between $10 million and $20 million for large fleets. Smaller operators face barriers due to initial investment costs, which can range from $5 million to $50 million, depending on the scale of deployment. In 2022, 40% of industrial AI systems reported breaches, highlighting vulnerabilities in connected maintenance networks. Over 50% of companies cite a lack of skilled personnel as a primary barrier to adopting predictive maintenance. The future of predictive maintenance in propulsion systems is rich with potential, driven by technological advancements and industry demands. Real-time simulations are expected to enhance predictive accuracy by 50%, adding an estimated $10 billion in value by 2035. AI-driven predictive maintenance is critical for autonomous vehicles and drones, expected to reduce propulsion system failures by 50% by 2030. Asia Pacific and Africa are experiencing rapid growth, with projected compound annual growth rates exceeding 35%, driven by infrastructure investments. Predictive maintenance is already reducing emissions by 20 to 30%, aligning industries with global sustainability goals. AI-powered predictive maintenance is transforming propulsion systems across industries, delivering cost savings, operational efficiency, and environmental benefits. From aerospace to rail, the impact is profound and far-reaching. If this exploration sparked your interest, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your insights in the comments below. Which industry do you think stands to gain the most from this technology? Let's discuss.